Friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update Gboard on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone. So simple, go ahead and open up your Play Store, and once you open up your Play Store you want to search for the Gboard. So you can simply type in that Gboard and you want to search for it. Now if you have the Gboard installed, you will see that it says opened, and if there is a new version available, you want to ensure that you click the blue button that says update. Now if you don't have it installed, you will most likely see the install button right beside it, but because I have it installed, you see it gives me the option to update, and that's if there's a new version available. Now all you have to do, you just need to click an update and it will run and update it for you. And as you can see, it's currently updating, and now once it is finished, it's going to install, and then I'll have the latest version of Gboard on my Samsung Galaxy or Android phone. Now that it's finished, you see it gives me the option that says open. I can open it from here, but I'm going to show you how to check if you have it enabled on your phone. So what you want to do, you want to minimize and go to your settings and then go to general management, then scroll down to where you have keyboard list and defaults. Now from here you will see under all that you have Gboard. If it's disabled, it will look like this, but if you want to enable it, just simply toggle it to the right, click OK, and Gboard will now be enabled. Now how do you use it or select it? At the top where you have the default keyboard, tap on that, and here you'll now have Gboard. You can simply tap on that ready button and Gboard will now be enabled and ready to use on your phone. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.